Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we will be making this adorable wood letter with 3D flowers on it. I found this design that allows you to create 3D cardstock paper flowers, and I will include the link to this design in the description below. Once I was happy with the various colors of the flowers, I went ahead and clicked Make It. Now make sure you change the material size to the corresponding paper size that you want to use. Then I went ahead and laid out the materials I needed. Once everything was all cut, I laid it all out and organized it. I then started placing everything on the A as I would like it to appear on it, and I highly recommend then, once you get to actually hot gluing down the flowers, that you leave some space. Now, since this project does include using hot glue, I highly recommend using tweezers, and adult supervision is definitely required for this project. And if you want to make this at home, I went ahead and put a link to the design in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and as always, it has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.